Natural ways to get rid of houseflies. Houseflies invade your personal space, buzzing around your head, crawling across tabletops and kitchen counters, sampling your freshly prepared food, and then landing on you, tasting your oily skin and salty sweat with their straw-like tongue. All this wouldn't even be so bad, but houseflies are little flying disease vectors that can carry pathogens and spread foodborne illnesses like E. coli and dysentery. Lemons and black cloves to get rid of flies. Cut a lemon in half, insert whole cloves into the flesh, and place the lemon halves around your home. How to get rid of houseflies naturally. Grow housefly repellents. The strong fragrance of certain herbs can help drive away bothersome houseflies. Place these herbs on a windowsill inside your home, as well as in pots on your porch, patio, and other outdoor spaces where houseflies are known to harangue and harass. Basil lemon balm, mint rosemary bay, laurel lavender catnip. If you like these tips, consider a like and subscribe. Yes, the Venus flytrap plant, Dionea muscipula, can trap and digest flies, along with other insects and spiders that trigger the sensitive hairs inside its modified leaves. Make cayenne pepper spray. Cayenne is highly irritating to houseflies and other undesirable bugs. Spritz it around entrances, windows, and other places you want to make unwelcome to encroaching pests. Use citrus peel's houseflies, along with ants, fleas, roaches, silverfish, mosquitoes, and many other insects. Abhor the smell of citrus oils. The peels and zests from oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruit, and other citrus fruits contain limonene, a potent insect repellent that kills on contact. Build fly traps. It's easy to make your own fly traps from slightly modified soda bottles. Cut off the top third of the bottle. Fill the bottom with sugar water or other bait such as spoiled wine, a blob of honey, or a few pieces of overripe fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button that tells YouTube algorithm this video gives value and consider subscribing.